Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about browser navigation commands in WebDriverIO. What are the browser navigation commands are presented means the Selenium we have for navigate to and back and forward and refresh. The similar for my WebDriver also having these four commands. Okay, what exactly this can do? See in my previous video if you see here browser.url is presented and we are able to navigate some URL, right? And after that, if you want in the middle something another URL you want to open, the same browser you need to open another URL. Then you can able to use for navigate to. And back keyword is basically what will happen. That is basically a browser history. We can able to move back and forward into that. We can able to click like this, and we can. This is a backward direction, and this is a forward direction. It will take that browser history one front and one back. Front means it will go for the history one step forward and one step backward means the history it will go for one step backward direction. This is called a backward and forward. And we have another option. This is called refreshing the page. We can able to refresh that entire page also. These are three options, and these options our driver cannot be handled, but we can able to handle by using WebDriverIO. How we can able to handle, we'll see now. Okay, and now I'm going to create here another one. Navigate dot spec dot js. Maybe you'll get for another question. Do I want to give every time spec? Not required. Okay, you can able to directly provide the js also. Okay, no need to bother about it. It will work. And now here I'm going to use for describe, and here we are going to use navigate, and I'm going to use for function creation, and then test case creation. Test case also it will ask you to create a heading of the title of particular test case, and we can able to create, and then we are going to use for first I'll create for one that is called a browser. For this we need to use for escape symbol. Okay, then we need to use for URL, and here I need to specify for my URL what type of URL you need to provide. https colon double forward slash www dot google.com. Okay, this is my URL, and this is basically async type of options, right? For this I need to use for async because our latest version is support for async only. Okay, and then I'm going to use for await a browser dot a pass, and I can able to use for 1000 seconds, and then again able to use for browser a dot our another command is navigate to. This is the command we are going to use it now. Navigate to what URL we need to navigate. This is my another URL to navigation. Okay, and here I'm going to use for this particular URL. Again I'm going to use for 1000 seconds. Okay, and then here I'm going to printing waiting some time, and then I will print for title of that first title, and now backward direction, forward direction, and refresh the page. There are three options, right? First time I'm going to use for await browser dot a back. Okay, back is the function, and here I'm going to use for await, and I'm going to use for console dot log, and again I'm going to using here uh, back title. Okay, and again I'm going to use it here comma browser dot get title. Okay, get title function I'm going to use it. Okay, and again I'm going to use it some pass Here some time passing, and then again I'm going to use for await console. This step I'm going to copy. Okay, here I'm going to use a forward direction, because forward direction, right? We are using forward direction. For forward direction purpose, again you need to use it here. Await browser dot a forward direction. This is a function. Okay, then we need to do it for one more time pass, and then refreshing the page. Okay, await browser dot, there is a function that is a refreshing a web page. Browser. Okay, once it is refreshed, wait some time and close it. Like that we are going to do it. Okay, these are all the operations we are doing. First time we are doing for Google opening. Okay, second one we are opening for new URL in the same browser, and then we are passing some time and we are going to back to the Google. Then forward again we are coming for internet URL. Okay, this is the things we are doing now. Okay, how it will do it work, we'll see one by one. Now this is navigate.spec.js. It's a simple example I'm providing. Now you can see another URL it is opening. Okay, now another back and forward. See, refreshed and also it is closed. And if you maximize like little bit, and if you see something, now we provided for URL, navigated it is a URL, another URL. First it is the URL, okay, Google, and then navigated is provided another URL, okay. Then backward direction, and it is not provided get title. It is a called a Google. Here you can able to see the result, right? Here is a Google. It is provided, and again it is forward direction. The title it will be get internet, and it is refreshed here, and it is closed because after refreshing we are not checking anything value. Then it will jump out of that. Okay. This is a one kind of information. Okay, I hope it this entire information browser navigation commands uh, help for you to learn more on our Selenium, not Selenium, WebDriverIO. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.